What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. And again, here's another video on mechanics liens because there's so much that goes into it. We talked about if you're a homeowner that started some work on your property, you hired handymen or contractors to do renovations on the property. It's very important that you keep all receipts for materials and invoices for labor that's been done on your property by the contractors, so that way you can present that information to the title company once you do decide to put your home in the market for sale. Because a lot of times title companies, they're going to be able to see through a survey on a property that remodeling has been done, and that's going to make their antennas go up and start to wonder, okay, if we go ahead and close on this property, is there the possibility that a contractor may come back and say, hey, seller Joe didn't pay me $5,000 for the bathroom I put in this house. That's what you call a mechanics lien, okay? So basically, in short, the title company wants to protect their interests from having to pay out insurance claims to remediate any mechanics liens that may come up on the property. Because a lot of times buyers are going to get title insurance which will protect them against mechanics liens, and title companies want to protect themselves from having to against that sort of liability. So this video, more specifically, the reason mechanics liens are kind of a big deal is because mechanics liens a lot of times will take first position over a mortgage on the property. So that can actually be bad for you as a seller, because a lot of buyers may not be using their own cash. They may be using a mortgage, and a mortgage company may not give that buyer a loan because they know that if there's a mechanics lien on the property, they're not going to have first position. And I don't know if you know, most mortgage companies will not take a second position as far as having a lien on the house. They always want to be in first position to get repaid as far as liens are concerned on the house. So it's very important that you're aware and you're cognizant of keeping any and all receipts and invoices that are reflecting that all bills have been paid in full, all materials and labor has been paid in full to the contractor and all the suppliers regarding the work that's been done in your home. Otherwise, it could actually backfire on you and prevent you from actually selling that property at the price you want to sell it at, or if not selling it at all. So that's all I wanted to give you guys today. If you have any questions regarding buying, selling, or investing in real estate, don't hesitate to call me, 330-685-2220, or just visit the website, www.investparamount.com.